much I dread.
Kingston,
Be wise,
Kingston,
free up your mind.
Kingston,
Just be wise,
Kingston,
free up the eye, yeah. When the city I go click clack, blow your bet. Government fingers and tick tack toes in it. And while they working on the X's and O's, I'm living I and I like a Mr. Camos. No surprise when they sending foes to me. Opposite of when plain clothes approaching me. Follow their rules is what they propose to me. Selling their souls for what is old, you see. Nothing is old, nothing is promised. Never know the government with the run up in a them garrison without no sorry, without excuse. Soldier man in a them lorry. Everybody get abused and everybody have them views now. The media is on, so know where you get your news from. And the blood they ban them shoes now. When them walk in the trace, look them hard in them face and say,
Kingston, Kingston, Kingston,
now all the damage can't quantify. Ray and couldn't sanctify. Say enough of them sent fi die. So the city a intensify. Say they get to them a gentrify. Well I ain't nobody no identify. Enough bodies unidentified and just a lie there. Then where the gun they on Saturday, buried Sunday like Solomon Grundy. Like I know sons of Solomon them have down there. Leonard always